In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start Rainmeter automatically on startup in Windows 10 or 11. And this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know to have Rainmeter launch as soon as your PC boots. First, open the Run app on your computer. You can do this by searching for Run in the Windows search bar or by pressing the Windows plus R keys together. Once you're there, look for the text field where you can enter commands. Next, type in shell, startup and hit enter. You'll see the startup folder open up, which is where Windows keeps all the programs that launch automatically when your computer starts. Once you're in the startup folder, the next step is to add Rainmeter. If you haven't added it yet, simply go to your Rainmeter installation folder, find the Rainmeter shortcut, and either copy and paste it or drag and drop it into the startup folder. You'll see it appear alongside any other programs you already have set to run on startup. Once you've done this, Rainmeter will automatically launch every time you start your computer. After that, you should be able to enjoy your Rainmeter skins and widgets without having to manually open the app every time. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to start Rainmeter on startup easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?